Alright, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and start graphing tangent. Now that you have all of your values for the tangent column completed, and then just open up a new tab with Desmos Graphing Calculator, and I think we're ready. Okay? Alright, so now what you're going to do is we're going to start plotting these values for tangent, or what we did was sine over cosine, right? All of these values here based off of the angle measures. So like negative pi over 2, negative pi over 3. All right, so in order to graph, we got to get our x-axis and y-axis ready. So just go ahead and click on graph settings. And then for the x-axis, for this case, let's do from negative 2 pi. And then from here, we're going to do 2 pi. And then the step we're going to do is pi over 12. Okay? For the y-axis, we could go from, let's do negative 15 to 15 right here. And then we'll go in increments of 1. Okay? And then again, let's make sure that we are in radians. And we're ready to go ahead and start. Okay? All right, so what you're going to do is we're going to start at negative 90 or negative pi over 2. And notice that it's undefined. So because it's undefined, we're going to use a vertical broken line to show that it's undefined. So let's go to negative pi over 2. We're going to do negative pi over 2, comma. And then, again, because it's undefined, I'll show you. You cannot put undefined. And we press enter. See how this doesn't allow us to graph it? So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to say x equals negative pi over 2. And again, we're going to use a, click on the little gear, and then click on the color, and then let's make it a broken line. Okay? And then let's make it blue. Let's do blue. And then click done. Okay? So at negative pi over 2, it's undefined, so we're going to draw a broken vertical line. And then let's go back to our table here. And where else are we undefined? We are undefined at pi over 2. So let's go to pi over 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and put x equals pi over 2. And then let's make this a broken line. And then let's do blue. And click done. And there's the bell. Okay, so we have negative pi over 2 undefined, pi over 2 undefined, and then 3 pi over 2 undefined, at least here in our table. So let's go to 3 pi over 2. So x equals 3 pi over 2. And here we are going to put, again, another broken line. Click done. Okay? And again, this is just for our table. We'll see what the pattern looks like, and then we'll deduce what we think tangent's going to look like. Okay. The next thing, you're going to start plotting the points. So our first point is negative pi over 3, comma, and then you're going to type in this value here. Sorry. Okay, so let's do negative pi over 3. So this is going to be a point. Negative pi over 3, and then comma, and then let's type in that whole decimal value. All right, so let's go back to the table. This value here, let's copy it. And then we're going to put it here and paste it. Let me see if it can. Yay, it worked. So that's my first point. All right, so the next one is negative pi over 4. We're going to go to negative 1. So negative pi over 4. And then we're going to do negative 1. Okay, let's continue. Negative pi over 6. And I'm going to copy this value here. Negative pi over 6, and we'll go to this value. So it's negative pi over 6, and then paste that value. Okay, so we see something going on here. Next, 0, 0. So that one's easy. Let's just do 0, 0. Okay. Next, pi over 6, and then we got this value right here.
Are we waiting for somebody?
Yeah. What was it? Pi over 6, and then it was this. So let me copy. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it here. And paste.
Are you doing a Desmos?